Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prioritizing safety and legality. Do not attempt physical alteration of your fingerprints. Instead, understand why. Altering prints risks criminal charges, permanent injury, and compromised evidence. Once you accept that, take immediate lawful steps. Document your reasons, contact a qualified attorney, and switch to non-invasive privacy measures like disposable gloves and secure channels for sensitive actions. Make sure to record dates and witnesses. This protects you, explains your intent, and opens legal options if you face harassment or misuse of biometric data. You now focus on concrete, legal protections that achieve privacy without harm. Start by using gloves, nitrile or disposable, when you want to avoid leaving prints on objects, and rotate pairs to maintain hygiene. Once done, harden your digital footprint, disable biometrics on devices, create strong PINs, and enable two-factor authentication for accounts. Also set up encryption for messages and a reputable VPN for network privacy. Make sure to document these steps so you can demonstrate lawful intent if questioned. You finish by securing professional advice and backup plans. This completes a lawful privacy strategy. First, consult an attorney to explore legal remedies, like restraining orders or privacy claims, and to clarify risks of any actions. Once done, provision reliable backups for access, PIN, recovery codes, and secondary accounts so you aren't locked out. If anything goes wrong, if you are accused or injured, preserve evidence immediately: photos, receipts, witness names, and any medical records. Make sure to follow counsel's advice before taking further steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.